Yeah, welcome back. So either you can select the structure from the existing libraries, or you can create your own structures of molecules, or you can download the structure files from crystallography, open database, or any other database, and then you can import those structures to the Material Studio library. So right now I'm just looking for a creation of a system with some aqueous system with some material interface. So I'm selecting a mineral over here. I'm selecting a silicate, like for example there are some layer silicates. So layer silicates, there are a lot of minerals available in the list. I'm selecting talc. Okay, so now this structure, you can see there are multiple layers of talc available in this. You can change that display by going to the display style command menu, and then yeah, you can click on ball and stick. So yeah, now you can see that this looks like some sheet, or yeah, you can change the display style to some polyhedron shape that can represent a better way of a silicate sort of structure. So that is one way of importing the structures. In order to create some structure, you have to go to that your project name, and then you have to go to your you have to create a new 3D atomistic document. So now I'm creating a water molecule here, which is very simple to create. You go to atom and you have to select oxygen atom over here. So now I have added one oxygen atom, and then I have to click here H. So what it does is basically added two hydrogen atoms to a oxygen, so which is basically a water molecule. So I can change the display style over here as a ball and stick. Yeah. So you can see we have created a water molecule. So the next step is creating an amorphous cell. So for creation of an amorphous cell, we have to go to modules, amorphous cell, calculation. So it will take some time, and new window will pop up that will ask us for the number of molecules. So first I'm selecting a 3D atomistic, which is basically water. We can rename it. I'm renaming it as water. So now I'm selecting water, and I'll put some 500 water molecules into the system. Yeah. So now it will create a amorphous cell with 500 water molecules of having a system density of 1 gram per cc, and there are other system properties like the quality of calculation. So I'm fixing that as medium. You can select depending upon your system as fine or ultra fine, but that will increase the time, computation time. So then there are some energy parameters. I'm not changing them, they are default parameters. Yeah, I'm coming back to setup. Yeah, so from here you can see that this is creating a cubic system of 24.6 angstrom of length of each side of a cube. If you want to change the system from cubic system to tetragonal or orthorhombic, you can do that also by clicking on this more option over here. You can change the lattice type from cubic to tetragonal or orthorhombic. So cubic is fine for us, so I'm running it. So after completion, it will give us a message. Yeah, you can see over here the job has been started. Now it's running. In the